Pastor Daron,
Yes, Arnie?
if I were to say to you, on guard,
On guard,
what do you think I'd like you to make for me?
you'd like me to make a sword.
Oh, I think so. Yep,
A sword is a real crowd pleaser.
it is. A crowd pleaser, is it?
It definitely is.
Oh, fantastic.
And inflate this blue balloon
Yeah.
right up to the end. I'm leaving about 1 centimetre uninflated.
Mm-hmm.
Tie it off. And now I'm going to do a tulip twist in the end.
Right. Tulip twist. That's just to make it look fancy, is it?
That's right. You don't have to do it.
Right.
But I like doing it on mine just to put a fancy handle on the sword. A bubble for the handle,
Right.
about 10 to 15 centimetres long.
Okay.
And now I'm going to fold the balloon
Mm-hmm.
and make a loop twist.
A loop twist.
Another one,
Another one.
and one more.
Mm-hmm.
Wedge your balloon back into the middle,
Right.
and there you have a sword.
And there's the sword. On guard.
Oh,
Hey,
on guard.
right. I'll get you. I'm pretty good at this. Yeah. Yeah.